Girl, listen to me. Your man, he's a mess. Your life will be cheap if you spend your life with that man right there. Your man took you out for dinner, but he's not going to pay. You want him to pull out money, but that will not be today. You wish that he was Prince Charming. Well, girl, he is way too poor. It's time to break up with him. Leave him in, close that door. Your man is cheap. Your man is cheap. Darling, he's a bum. This really is dumb. Take it from me. Girl, his credit's really bad. Break up with him, you'll be glad. He has no money. Don't be a dummy. Your man is cheap. I'm not done. He's living with his mommy, but he's a grown-ass man. He gets money from his mommy and has no finance plan. But you want to stay with him, I just don't know what for. Girl, are you really that dim?
He will make you really poor.
Oh no! Your man is cheap. Your man is cheap. You can do better, you're not good together. Why can't you see? You want him to buy you things. Your man is cheap, it's not happening. He has no career, make him disappear. Your man is cheap. Your man is cheap. Girl, give me a break, this is a mistake. Let that man be. You will not get very far, cause that man doesn't have a car. It's time to bow out. Girl, kick that man out. Your man is cheap. Don't be mad at me, his money's funny. You pay for your boo, he don't pay for you. His credit's not right, his pockets are tight. He's broke as a joke, girlfriend. Don't ignore the truth, he's real bad for you. He'll put you in debt with his bad credit. He owes lots of taxes, just face the facts. Go let that man just go. I'm not being petty, he is not ready, don't disagree. What does he have? A nice body? Well, that doesn't pay bills, you see. Each time you go out, he doesn't buy out. Your man is cheap. Each time you give him, he will never end. Your man is cheap. Girl, this is not fair, cause I know you care, but he's not worth it, so why don't you quit? Let that man go now, it's time to get out. Your man is cheap.
Give the man a job, sir.